Boy, he runs fast for a little guy.
Wait, 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 wait!
This way. There they are. A bird! Look! Stop! Ah, my baby!
I got you! I got you! I got you! I got you!
I can't see.
Somebody do something!
Are they all right? Can anyone see? Are they alive?
I can't see.
What is happening? Doc?
Good heavens, they're in trouble!
You guys, I've got an idea.
Here, I got it.
Please, man, wake up! Wake up!
Mr. Early Bird! How about a nice, tasty worm on a stick?
I'm going to snap. I'm going to snap.
That's the juicy, succulent...
Let's go. There they are! Okay. It's going to be okay, Doc.
Bye-bye, Birdie! Help! I'm stuck! Pull it out! Snell! Snell! Snell!
The caterpillar's using himself as live bait.
How brave!